channel. Today I'm in Uttarakhand and today we're gonna unbox these gifts my cousin sister Sarah gave to me. She's here from all the way to Canada. Here she is. Hi. Okay, can you tell me how was your trip here to India, Uttarakhand?
It is good. I really like India. And I never want to go back to Canada.
Yeah, and thank you, Sarah, for these lovely gifts.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Sarah. I'm very excited
Welcome.
to open this Crybabies. So let's begin unboxing. So first of all, I guess we have to take up this tape here. Come on, open up. And are you open your Lego? It is Lego car. Now unbox the Lego car. Let's unbox. I don't. I need scissors for this.
No.
Yay! Come on, open up. Okay, wait a second. I think if you open it from here. Thank you. Okay, you can open yours.
I am opening the package.
Hey! Open it. Try to open it. It's not opening.
Wait.
Wait, Archit. You can wait.
From here.
You can open it from here.
Oh, very nice.
We got it! Let's see! I want to see which one we get. Yay, I open it. Wait. Oh, I got the glittery one. Let's see who she is. Wait a second, Archit. Wait, Archit. Wait. You can open that bag. Let me see what's this. What's her name?
Oh, wait.
You can open that, Sarah.
Okay, let's see what's in
You
here.
can see.
Oh, it looks like a chair or something.
Archit, wait. I'll open this one.
I want to see.
Okay, so let's see what's her name.
Oh, wait, it's a little like baby feeder thing.
I found a... Wow, we found a bar for her. Now let's see what else. Oh, I'll open this question
Look,
mark
her
holder.
little baby chair.
Wow.
She doesn't fit.
Oh, she fits really well. Let's see if her name is ready. Look.
Patty.
Yeah, see it?
Right
See, it's
here.
Patty.
Okay, what's her name?
Patty. Now let's see what else. What else? Yeah, I guess there's one more. Wait.
And-
छोड़ो मत करो.
Oh, there's this little thing.
Pacifier. Let's see if it fits.
Yeah.
Yay.
Okay, what else? What else?
Glittery.
And we have this little baby chair.
Whoopsies.
It broke.
Get it out.
A little baby feeding chair.
Okay.
I need to rebuild this.
What else?
And we have this like.
I guess this is skateboard. Let's see.
Oh yeah, she might. Okay. Oh my God! Look, there's so many apartments. Let's pop them.
We got
Oh.
these
Oh.
things
Wow.
from it. There's a little. What is this? I guess this is a little bag for it. Oh,
Start.
okay. So we also found this tiny pacifier like this, but this is just like that. So this is our final things. We got the stickers, and now let's make this little baby cry. So Sarah, you can do it. Okay, I'll just give you. I'll just open for you. Okay, so now let's see how she cries. Okay. Come on, baby. Can't you cry?
Wait, I think we need to add a bit more water.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
also, it's time to make the baby cry.
Wow, she's crying.
Oh no, she's sad.
Oh, she looks so cute when she cries.
Yeah.
I mean, that's always she's so cute. She's never so sad. She's always happy. Yeah.
Mm.
Oh my God, she cried so much. Let's take this out. So, roll her blanket.
And
Okay, let's fold her blanket.
And look, the watercolor is blue.
Like tears.
Yeah.
Well,